Format is the process of preparing storage devices for use by creating a file system structure and preparing the device to store data. When you format a storage device, you are essentially giving it instructions on how to organize and manage the files you will store on it. This process erases existing data and establishes the foundational structure that your operating system needs to recognize and use the device. Formatting happens at 3 distinct levels. First is low-level formatting, which is physical formatting that marks tracks and sectors on the disk. This creates the hardware foundation for data storage. Second is mid-level formatting, also called partitioning, which divides the storage device into logical sections or partitions. Each partition can be formatted independently with different file systems. Third is high-level formatting, which is logical formatting that creates a file system like NTFS or FAT32. This organizes the storage so your operating system can manage files and directories. There are 2 main types of formatting. Quick format is very fast, taking only seconds to complete. It deletes file pointers only, leaving the actual data intact on the disk, which means data recovery is still possible with special tools. Quick format does not check for bad sectors. Full format takes much longer, sometimes hours, but it overwrites all data with zeros and makes data recovery nearly impossible. Full format also checks for bad sectors on the drive. Use quick format for personal reuse when time is limited, and full format when selling a drive or when you need secure data deletion. The formatting process involves 5 steps. First, connect your storage device and ensure the operating system detects it. Second, open the formatting tool such as Disk Management on Windows or Disk Utility on Mac. Third, choose your file system type based on your compatibility needs. Fourth, give your device a name called a volume label, choose between quick or full format, and confirm the action. Finally, wait for the process to complete. Your device is then initialized and ready for use. Always back up your data before formatting because once formatted, recovery is difficult without proper tools. Use quick format only on solid-state drives to preserve their limited write cycles and extend their lifespan. Choose full format when selling or disposing of devices to ensure data cannot be recovered. Select the right file system for your needs. NTFS is best for Windows computers, APFS is for Mac, and exFAT provides universal compatibility between Windows and Mac. After formatting completes, create and access test files to confirm proper functionality. Most importantly, double-check that you are formatting the correct drive to avoid accidentally erasing wrong storage. You might encounter several common issues. If you see a need to format disk error, the drive is not recognized properly. Try connecting to a different USB port or updating hardware drivers. If formatting takes too long, remember that full format on large drives takes considerable time. Use quick format instead if data security is not critical. Some devices are write-protected and have a physical lock switch that you must toggle off. If formatting fails midway, run the chkdsk tool to repair disk errors first, then retry formatting with a different file system. If a device does not show in your system, it may be corrupted or incompatible. Test it on another computer or try a different operating system. It is important to understand that standard formatting is not always secure. Formatting only marks sectors as available, but does not fully erase data. Specialized recovery software can still retrieve formatted data. For complete security when dealing with sensitive information, use multipass overwriting tools that write random data multiple times over sectors. This makes data recovery nearly impossible. Different solid-state drives and hard disk drives require different approaches for secure erasure. Additionally, organizations must comply with regulations like GDPR and HIPAA. Proper data destruction procedures must be documented and followed before disposing of or repurposing drives that contain sensitive information. Here are the essential points to remember about formatting. Formatting involves 3 levels: low-level physical formatting, mid-level partitioning, and high-level logical formatting. Quick format saves time, while full format ensures complete data destruction and detects bad sectors. Always back up important data before formatting to prevent permanent loss. Standard formatting is not fully secure for sensitive data, so use data shredding tools before disposal. Match your file system to your use case: NTFS for Windows, APFS for Mac, and exFAT for cross-platform compatibility. Finally, after formatting, always verify success by testing functionality and creating files to confirm proper operation.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.